Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Thursday, November 4th. Let's find out what's on our calendar. We had a whole cookie, and the bear ate the whole cookie. And then we found out yesterday that we had a whole cookie, but it was cut in half with 2 equal parts. I wonder what will be on it today. What do you think? More cookies? Let's find out. Whoa! Now 2 dogs have come to eat the whole cookie, and they each have an equal half of the cookie to eat. One dog can take one half of the cookie, and the other dog can take the other half of the cookie and eat. Wow, these animals are hungry. Let's add that information to our calendar grid. And we had halves that were eaten. 2 dogs ate each half of the cookie. That's what we have. We had halves, and 2 dogs ate each half of the cookie. Interesting. If we continue on, we're going to go into our days in school. Our days in school, we've been in school quite a bit of time now. Wow, we made it to another marker. Believe it or not, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 days together. We've been able to make another group of 5. Fantastic. 45 days together. Let's add that information to our chart, but I'm going to add something that we've talked about. We just have not put it on our days in school chart. 45 days together, which is 4 groups of 10 and 5 ones. It's 40 plus 5. We'll take this information and have the number word 45 here. Something I do want to add, though, that we have not talked about is this. We have not put a number tree on our days in school. So we can have that big number 45 here, and we could say, using our equation that is here, that it is 40 plus 5. So we have the number 45, the number word, a way to make 45 using 10s and 1s, a math equation, and a number tree. Different ways to make the number 45. Can you think of a different way to make 45? You can stop the video now and pause it for a moment and write down a different way to make 45 and hurry back. We have more to do. Thanks. We are going to continue on by adding another hour to our calendar collector. When we add another hour, we're moving from 3 o'clock to the new time of 4 o'clock. So 4 o'clock, and I'll make it bigger for you, 4 o'clock on an analog clock has the little hand pointing towards the 4 and the big hand pointing towards the 12. Remember, that little hand tells us the number we say first. We say 4 o'clock, so that little hand tells us the hour of the day and that number we say first. Then we have our digital clock here, and our digital clock has just the numbers. Remember, no hands. and it has that 4 in the front. It has the 2 dots and then 0, 0, because this time does show 4 o'clock. The 4 is here. This is the hour of the day, and where the 0, 0 is actually tells us the minutes of the day. We now need to take a moment and change our clock. So we're going to erase this little hand because it's not 3 o'clock anymore. We're going to show that new time of 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock here, and we are going to put a little hand going towards the number 4. This is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. We are now going to talk for a quick moment about this. I've mentioned the whole and the half to you, but I want to take a moment right here and show you what a whole looks like. This is one whole circle. This is where the entire circle is colored in. We have other shapes here where all of the parts of that shape are colored in. And then we have the word half, where only half of the shape, half of that information is shaded in. Whole and half. Whole and half. I hope you've enjoyed your number corner for the day. Let's talk soon.